This video is about of the pillar gauge and the conversion calculation into millimeter, vice versa. So here is our equivalent chart. 1,000 of an inch equals 0.0254 millimeter. Then round off to 0.025 millimeter. 2,000 of an inch is equal to 0.0508 millimeter. Then round off to 0.05 millimeter. Then 3,000 of an inch is equal to 0.0762 millimeter. Then round up to 0.076 millimeter. Then 4,000 of an inch is equal to 0.1016 millimeter. Then round up to 0.10 millimeter. Okay, continue. Continue. Okay. 5,000 of an inch is equal to 0.127 millimeter. Then round up to 0.12 millimeter. Then 6,000 of an inch is equal to 0.1524 millimeter. Then round up to 0.15 millimeter. Then 7,000 of an inch is equal to 0.1778 millimeter. Then round up to 0.18 millimeter. Then 8,000 of an inch is equal to 0.2023 millimeter. Round up to 0.20 millimeter. So continue. 9,000 of an inch is equal to 0.2286 millimeter. Then round up to 0.23 millimeter. Then 10,000 of an inch is equal to 0.254 millimeter. Then round up to 0.25 millimeter. Then 11,000 of an inch is equal to 0.2794 millimeter. Then round up to 0.28 millimeter. Then 12,000 of an inch is equal to 0.3048 millimeter. Then round up to 0.30 millimeter. So continue. 13,000 of an inch is equal to 0.3302 millimeter. Then round up to 0.33 millimeter. Then 14,000 of an inch is equal to 0.3556 millimeter. Then round up to 0.36 millimeter. Then 15,000 of an inch is equal to 0.381 millimeter. Then round up to 0.38 millimeter. Then 16,000 of an inch is equal to 0.4064 millimeter. Then round up to 0.41 millimeter. So continue. Continue. 7,000 of an inch is equal to 0.4318 millimeter. Then round up to 0.43 millimeter. Then 18,000 of an inch is equal to 0.4572 millimeter. Then equal to 0.46 millimeter. Then 19,000 of an inch is equal to 0.4826 millimeter. Then round up to 0.48 millimeter. then 20,000 of an inch equals 0.508 millimeter. Then round up to 0.50 millimeter. So continue. 21,000 of an inch is equal to 0.5334 millimeter. Then round up to 0.53 millimeter. Then 22,000 of an inch is equal to 0.5588 millimeter. Then round up to 0.56 millimeter. Then 23,000 of an inch is equal to 0.5842 millimeter. Then round up to 0.58 millimeter. Then the last one, 24,000 of an inch equals 0.6094 millimeter. Then round up to 0.61 millimeter. Okay. And now the conversion, direct and improper equation. Okay. Conversion, direct and improper equation for past calculation. So, our conversion factor, 1 inch is equal to 25.4 millimeter. So, exercises. Exercises number 1. 9 thousandths of an inch convert to millimeter. Okay. Exercises calculation number 1. Exercises calculation number 1. Direct and improper equation for past calculation. So, 9,000 of an inch times 25.4 millimeter equals 0.2286 millimeter. So, 0.2286 millimeter round up to 0.23 millimeter. Then checking calculation number 1. So checking 0.2286 millimeter divided by 25.4 millimeter, so equals 0.009 inch or 9 thousandths of an inch. So exercises number 2. Exercises number 2. 13 thousandths of an inch convert to millimeter. So exercises calculation number 2. Exercises calculation number 2. Direct and improper equation for past calculation. Okay. 13,000 of an inch times 25.4 millimeter, so equals 0.3302 millimeter. 0.3302 millimeter round up to 0.33 millimeter. So checking calculation number 2. Checking calculation number 2. 0.3302 millimeter divided by 25.4 millimeter, so equals 0.013 inch or 13,000 of an inch. Okay. So, that's all. And thank you so much.